Hey, this is my second part of Payphone. Hope you enjoy it and finish off the last one. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. How much you been lost on a big day. Oh, you turned your back on tomorrow. You forget yesterday. I gave you all my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You didn't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all your bridges burned down. I've wasted my night. You turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in the time when we called it up, but then sunset in paradise. I'm out of pain from trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?